Alright guys, hello and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna learn how to install any add-on in Blender. Let's get started. First of all, you need to download your zip file add-on from any website, for example Haven or BlenderKit. You get that. After downloading your zip file, you can immediately go to Edit, Preferences. In this case, I've installed a BlenderKit add-on, so now I'm gonna install it by selecting the location file. And now when you install it, it will come like this. You just check the tick, and if you are a beginner, you can watch the video tutorial, or if you're an advanced professional, you can just press OK. And you can also log in the BlenderKit website, and then after it you can either save it or it will auto save. Just save, get out, and then go to BlenderKit, and over here if you logged in, you can press this search icon and search for any item you want. For example, we're gonna write free cars, which in this case will give us free cars. You also have the option to click this eye icon to reveal the searches that you made. Like, you just type anything you want, and if you want stuff for free, you can just press this button, and anything you search over here in this search box will be for free. And if you are more into, for example, indoor design, building rooms and stuff, you can press architecture or characters, deco, industrial, interior. Anything you want will be filtered over here, and anything you search can be written here. And that concludes the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can receive new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.